Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're tired of Google Chrome constantly asking whether you want to save your passwords every time you log in somewhere, stay tuned. In just a few quick steps, I'll show you exactly how to disable that offer to save password prompt on Chrome. This guide is fully updated, so you're getting the latest steps that work right now. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device. You'll need to make sure it's the latest version to ensure all the menus look the same as what you see here. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. That's the menu button. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, find and tap on Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores all your saved passwords, and it's also where you can control how Chrome handles them. At the bottom right corner of this page, you'll see an option titled Settings Again. Go ahead and tap it. This will open additional password preferences. Now you'll see a switch labeled Offer to Save Password. This setting controls whether Chrome asks you to save new passwords when you sign into websites. To stop those pop-ups from appearing, simply toggle this switch off. That's it. You've just turned off the feature that offers to save passwords.